So we're here. It's great. I'm in paradise. I got Wi-Fi. I'm able to work. Do my mortgage brokering business still here from a remote location in El Nido, Palawan, which is one of the islands, one of the beautiful island in the Philippines. You know, there's good stuff and there's challenges. Okay, one of the challenges is people talk everywhere. They're around me, they're behind me, they're on the beach. So you can hear the noise in the background. The gal here, she's one of the workers here. She's talking to somebody else on the phone. Irrelevant what you're doing. If you're talking on the phone with somebody else, tough luck. And the other one is bug. Holy moly! My laptop's invaded by spiders, ants, you name it, whatever's out here. If the humidity doesn't affect you, I'm certainly these little critters. If you don't like spiders, and if the spiders are crawling across your laptop, you might not be enjoying that very much. As far as the sun, you know, it's a sunset. It's near the end of the day, so it's much cooler, and I got the wind blowing in here every now and then. But still, though, the humidity, woo-wee, it still picks up. So even though it's really great here, and the breeze every now and then kicks in, it's not conducive to work, I want to say. Most I can ever do is maybe about 15, 20, maybe half an hour's worth of work at every time. Then I may have to run into the air conditioning room to cool down. Or I can do it inside my room as well. But it's so enjoyable here. I literally take time off because I'm forced to, you know. It's too hot, run in the room for a while, then come on and do some little more work. I like to work out in daylight. It's just dark, it's just not for me. I guess that's where I've been for quite a while. So the coolest thing is, yes, you can get done things you can have to do. You will get done in paradise, no matter what, ifs and whatever happens. The other thing is that, you know, as long as Wi-Fi connection is good, which is relatively has been, with the exception of the stormy day that we came in the first day. But besides that, everything's working out great. So I'm able to log into all of my computer-based system and do my work here from remote. How cool is that? And this shout out to Ricky Shetty. He's from the Digital Nomad. He's been telling me that, you know, you should try out more and do some more work here when you're on vacation, and it's still all possible. All right, look, can't go wrong here, right? Get stuff done, get paid, and take time out. Enjoy the rest of the day. Either, you know, be doing the hotter time, maybe hide inside the room and get stuff done. Look forward to see you guys here maybe next time, right? Become one of those digital nomad and work wherever you are. Doesn't matter where it is. Take care. See you guys.